The judgment is likely in Varun Gandhi's hate speech case today in a Pilibhit court. Varun Gandhi is being tried for alleged hate speeches made by him in 2009 while campaigning in his constituency of Pilibhit. Meanwhile, a petitioner in the case has said that witnesses in the case have been bought over.
ये ऐसी स्थिति में जो कानून है उसके मुताबिक ओनर्स ऑफ प्रूफ जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है, क्योंकि मुल्जिम ने ये कहा है कि उसकी आवाज दब की गई है तो इसको साबित करने का जिम्मा भी मुल्जिम पर है। कोर्ट ने जब इनसे कहा कि अपनी आवाज का सैंपल दीजिए, जो विवेचक थे वो जेल में इनका वॉइस सैंपल लेने गए थे तो इन्होंने वॉइस सैंपल देने से इनकार कर दिया था। तो हमारा कहना है कि चूंकि इन्होंने वॉइस सैंपल भी नहीं दिया और इनका कहना है कि आवाज इनकी दब कर दी है किसी ने, तो ऐसी हालत में अगर ये वॉइस सैंपल नहीं देते हैं तो इनके खिलाफ एडवर्स इंफ्लुएंस ड्रॉ किया जाए। और एक 24 गवाह इस केस में अब तक हॉस्टाइल हो चुके हैं, या तो वो पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर में हॉस्टाइल हुए हैं क्योंकि मुलायम सिंह ने भी ये बात कही थी कि हम ये केस विड्रॉ करेंगे, और जब उस खेल में सफल नहीं हुए तो गवाहों को इन्होंने हॉस्टाइल करवा दिया। तो इस तरह से ये फेयर ट्रायल नहीं हो रहा है, फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं हो रही है।
Well, Pranshu now joins us on the phone for more on this. Pranshu, we heard the voice of the petitioner Mohammad Asad Hayat there saying that alleging 24 witnesses have gone hostile in the case. What are we expecting in the Pilibhit court today?
Well, see, there has been this dramatic development as far as this hate speech case against the BJP MP Varun Gandhi is concerned. What we got to know is that on the earlier hearing, that is around a week back, all witnesses, they have been examined, and very surprisingly, all the witnesses, around 24 in number in this particular hate speech cases, they have turned hostile. Now, what's most surprising is that out of these 24, at least 6 to 7 were the police witnesses. They also gave this statement, which was in fact in support of Varun Gandhi. In fact, it favors Varun Gandhi. So keeping those witnesses turning hostile, it was being assumed that today when the court will take up this case, probably those FIRs would be sponged and there would be finally no case against Varun Gandhi. So that was what even the defense side was speculating. But then yesterday itself, this particular petition by one Mr. Asad was filed, and he is in fact the chairman or the general secretary of a lesser known organization in which he has claimed that all the witnesses, they have been bought over. The prosecution witnesses, the prosecution too is probably siding up with the defense side or with the accused side. The voice sample has not been given. Therefore, this case should be reinvestigated or the matter should be further probed. So clearly, that means now that probably the court will have to first dispose of that petition before finally deciding that whether this case against Varun Gandhi stands or not.